Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn numbers. Okay? Children, last time we learned the numbers 1 to 5, isn't it? Shall we recall the numbers once again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now children, we are going to count the numbers. Okay. Now see how many objects are going to come on the screen. Okay. இப்போ நாம நம்பர்ஸ்க்கு கீழே என்ன ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வருது எத்தனை ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வருதுன்னு பார்த்து அதை கவுண்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? Now what is the first number? 1. Now see children. How many apples are there? எத்தனை ஆப்பிள் இருக்கு? 1. Now what is the next number? 2. So, how many apples has to come there? Now count. 1, 2. 2 apples. Okay. Now what is the next one? What is the next number? 3. So how many apples should come there? Let us count and see. 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. What is the next number? 4. So how many apples has to come there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now what is the next number? 5. 5. So how many apples? We will watch. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is called count and write. நாம numbers எத்தனை numbers இருக்கு அதுல எத்தனை apples இருக்குன்னு இப்ப பார்த்துட்டோம் இல்லையா? Now shall we move to the next one? So after 5, what is the next number? 6. Then 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shall we count the objects now, children? How many objects are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many objects? 6. How to write 6? Look at the screen. Curve and circle. Okay, this is number 6. Now see children. Now see here, we will count our fingers. Okay. How many fingers are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many fingers? 6. Shall we go to the next one? Now please count how many pencils are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How to write 7? First, sleeping line. Then, slanting line. Number 7. Okay. Now see children, how many fingers are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now see children, how many ties are there? Start counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. How many ties? 8. How to write 8? Look at the screen. Left curve, right curve, and then join. Okay. Left curve, right curve, then join. 8. Now see children, shall we count the fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now see children, how many flowers are there? Let us count and see. Count with me. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. How to write 9? Left curve, then standing line. Now see, 9. Okay. Now let us count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now see children, how many candles are there? Start counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How to write 10? Please watch. Standing line, left curve, okay. 1, 0, 10. Now, shall we count the fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 0, 10. Children, see here. What is there? Tree, isn't it? Now we will watch what's going to come there. What is this? A bird. One bird. Now 2, 3, see children. See here. 4. How many birds are there? 4. Now watch what will happen there. One bird flew away. Now how many birds are left? 3. 3. Now one more bird flew away. Now how many birds left? 2. 2. Now the another one flew away. How many birds are there? 1. Only 1. Now that one bird also flew away. Now any birds are there? And the 4 birds la 4 birds me பறந்து போயிடுச்சு இல்லையா? Now anything is there? Nothing. ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை. ஒண்ணுமே இல்லைன்னா what we have to put there? 0. ஒண்ணுமே இல்லைன்னா we have to write 0. Okay. Now see children, we are going to count and write the apples which are inside the jar. Okay. இந்த ஜார்க்குள்ள எத்தனை ஆப்பிள்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு கவுண்ட் பண்ணி இந்த பக்கத்துல ஒரு பாக்ஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதுல எழுதலாமா? ஓகே. 1, 2. 2. See the next box. 1, 2, 3. 3. Next one. How many apples are there? 1. How many apples? 1. The next jar. Any apples are there? No apples. Nothing is there. ஒண்ணுமே இல்லைன்னா என்ன போடணும்? 0. 0. Now once again shall we recall the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now see children. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Okay children, thank you. Bye bye.